lot of you may have already been out shopping for your Christmas trees, and hopefully you followed all the tips that I'm about to give you. But if you have not yet shopped for your Christmas tree, and it's a live Christmas tree, I wanted to kind of give you some tips on what to look for when you go out to the farm. No matter what kind of Christmas tree you're gonna get, you wanna make sure that you go out and kind of like do this. Do some of this action, y'all. And if you shake it, and a lot of these, what are these called? Needles, they're called needles. If a lot of these fall off, you do not want that tree. Do not buy a tree that a lot of the needles are falling off of. You wanna make sure when you shake it and you hit it, nothing comes flying off. And that's a good thing. That means it's a fresh cut tree. It was just recently shipped. All of these trees, as you can imagine, are freshly cut. They are live plants, so they're not gonna last forever. It's a lot like putting together a floral arrangement, right? When you get flowers from the store, you take them home, you cut the ends, the fresh ends off, and you put them in fresh water, and that's the exact same thing you do here. So tip one, shake it, make sure nothing comes off. If it does, leave it behind. Second tip, once you get your tree home, make sure that you cut about a quarter or a half, I usually do a ½ inch to an inch off the bottom of the tree. You can lop off whatever branches are kind of in the way of that and limit up just a little bit so that it can get into your tree stand, and make sure you're giving it plenty of water. It has to be watered every single day. It is a live plant. Hopefully it will last you through the end of the season, but the less falls off of it, the fresher it is, and it'll last longer. The other tip too is LED lights are great for a tree. Basically, the less heat that you put on this tree, and that includes placement as well, the better it's going to be. So you don't want to put it near your fireplace. I know that's traditionally where a lot of people like to put their trees, but the further away from a heat source you can get it, the less dry it will be. It's all about getting that water in and the moisture. And then back to the lights. Traditional Christmas lights in the past have been, you know, typical bulbs, and they get very hot, and that adds heat to the tree, which makes it not last as long. So just make sure you're getting those LED bulbs that that are a lot cooler in temperature, and then go however you want with that color. Some people like the colorful bulbs, and some people like the more white. I'm a white light bulb girl, but remember that 2700K, that soft white color. But other than that, that is it. You guys have a great Christmas and enjoy your long-lasting Christmas tree.